What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Motion with another video. As you can tell behind me, man, we got the X3M competition. Since I uploaded my video, I didn't really give y'all a full review on the car, but here it is, man. It's in the, I don't know how to say the word. It's like something. I'm not even gonna try to say it, but it's a gray. It's gray. It's like Dojin gray, something gray, but it's gray, man. Don't flame me in the comments for that, but hey, man, it's the car right here. You know, it's the same spec as my X5. If y'all don't know, I sold my X5 for those who've been asking. But right here is a car, a sexy little beauty right here. Can't wait to add some mods to it. Right now it's currently stock, and I ain't do nothing to it yet. But hey, man, we're gonna have mods on the way. Competition, as you know, but I can't wait to build this car, man. I can't wait, because this thing, if y'all don't know, these things is beast. So we're gonna start off with the interior right here. It's kind of raining, so I gotta hurry up and get them done. We got the two-tone seats right here with the peanut butter and the Alcantarian suede with the leather, you feel me? Welcome Motion, if you know, you know. That journey is hard. I fuck with that shit the most. Welcome Motion, bro. Just wake up, hop in my car, and be like, welcome Motion. Hey, man, so happy about this car. As you don't know, my old car had the new technology package, so I'm not used to all this. Like, it got all the gesture control, stuff like that. This is the interior right here. Floor mats is kind of dirty, but you know, we're gonna get a cleanup. It's the back seats. I'm planning on getting little carbon covers for this, just a little stick to match the carbon on the inside. You know, I wish they had the full carbon covers. They probably do. I just gotta look even more. But you know, we got stuff in the back. But for real, compared to my X5, it's a little smaller. But for me, I don't feel it. I don't feel it for real. Probably because I don't be having people on my back seat. I know the back seat, the distance from the passenger seat and the back seat, there's not that much for someone to go in the back. But for real, I don't be having people on my back seat anyway. So, but that's the interior right there. Let me know if I got a good spec, good trim on the interior, which I was saying. I was low-key trying to go for red or full peanut butter, but I just got a good deal on this. I couldn't have passed up on it, man. But this for the exterior right here. We got the 21-inch rims on it right here. Got the Michelin Sport 4S's in the rear. You know what I'm saying? And we got same thing on the front. But for I don't like the fitment. I feel like it's too skinny for SUV. Like, it's not a meaty at all. Like, that's not a meaty setup. That looks like a baby mom type of setup, bro. Like, I don't know. It's running on some skinny tires. So we gotta get that shit figured out. So on this build, I plan on doing cosmetic mods before I start doing any performance, because you gotta look good to feel good, and when you feel good, you're gonna go fast. So I gotta look good. This car gotta look good. You know, these stuff tips like that, tints, carbon, all types of stuff, man. But it's kind of dirty, real dirty on the brakes. I just put brake pads yesterday, man. Hey, when I tell you that shit it started pouring down, raining, bro. I was getting so mad just putting the brakes on. But I got it done though. But man, this shit is crazy, man. Like, I fuck with it. It looks like, people say it don't look aggressive from the back, but for real, once it's lowered with a diffuser, some better tips, that shit is about to look crazy, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. For y'all saying they like the X5 better, y'all sleeping, bro. Y'all sleeping. You don't see my vision yet. Y'all don't see what I'm about to do to this car, man. Y'all is sleeping on me. But I'm gonna give you a little sound clip. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to set the tripod up, give y'all some sound clips, and give y'all a little pull through the parking lot. Y'all can hear it. But hey, man, YouTube, right now I got you on the tripod. I'm about to give you a startup. The car's not cold. It's been out in there for like 15 minutes before this. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you a startup, put in Sport Plus, and give it a little bit of revs. Man, YouTube, what y'all saying, bro? What y'all saying? What y'all saying? What y'all saying? That joint is so, for a stock, the comp exhaust is low-key aggressive. I'm not gonna lie. That shit be like, it be grumbling. For a stock exhaust, cause you know it's the comp. I heard the comp's got a better muffler on the back. It's like more flowing, but there's rain around. I was pouring. Somebody pour on me. But y'all, that thing sound vicious. Like, damn. But before it start raining, bruh, we gotta hop in the car and give y'all little pulls. But you know, I'm on some summer tires. Can't be doing too much in the rain. But I'm just chatting. We're not making that much power yet. But I'm gonna give y'all some in-cabin pulls. Get like a little fake POV. Give y'all interior view while I'm driving. Ain't gonna get the gist of it. Man, oh man, oh man. Bro, I love this interior so much, bro. With the color, bro. I just love it so much. Like, damn, I just like the two-tone seats. I have a way to make this stay lit all the time. Like when my ambient's on, this gonna come on. My headlights on, this will come on. I'm gonna get that done because I don't know why they only made it so when you start the car it turns on. Like, that's so foo-foo, bro. But right now we're in Sport Plus. I'm driving one hand. Sport Plus window down a little bit. Y'all can hear the burpers a little bit. But I'm gonna just give y'all some little driving footage. Oh damn, get out the way, shorty. Damn, bro, like it's for a stock car, bro. Nobody know. What's that? Damn, hold on, shorty. Hold on. Hold on. I'm already knowing once I tune this car, man. This thing is about to be crazy, man. And low-key, feel faster than my X5. I'm getting wet, all the rain smacking my face. But it feels way faster than my X5, bro. Damn, like, I don't know. Probably because it's way lighter. This car like 4,000 pounds, or something. Correct me if I'm wrong, around the 4-ish numbers. But man, I just can't wait. Cause I'm already knowing what this car can do. Shit, bro. I'm trying to drive and do this one-handed. It's a different type of level right here. See the GoPro head mount for that. But we gotta do it for the YouTube. Yo, this is an X3 in front of me. It's the old Gen X3 right here. It's the F series. Oh, it's the same series. Not F. Yeah, that's the X5. Wait, what is this? That's X5. I'm tripping. I just got rid of my X5 now. I don't know what the X5 look like. YouTube, that is wild, man. Wow. But I gotta wipe my camera off. Shit getting a little moisture on it. But let me give y'all a little pour real quick. Let me give y'all a little something. Give y'all a quick launch. Man. Give y'all a quick launch for this one time, man. Hopefully my diff don't break. Knock on carbon. Cause you know these things got weak diff bolts. Hopefully diff don't go flying. But I'm about to give y'all a little launch. Damn! What the? Okay, alright. Let me relax before this car goes flying to the damn bushes, man. Let me relax. But damn. This shit is fucking crazy, bro. Hold on. This shit is wild, man. I gotta do one more launch, man. I got to do one more launch. Oh shit, hold on. Damn. Nah, this car's about to be pure exciting, bro. The mods is coming soon. I know y'all can't wait to see the mods, man. Y'all can't wait. This car, I'm actually gonna finish the build. Let's knock on carbon and see if we actually finish it. It might not cop something else, you know what I'm saying? Like we did last time on y'all boys, but you too, man. This car is sick. It's pouring. This car is sick, man. This car is actually crazy. But the way it gets so much brake dust, while I watched this car, what was it? I watched this car the other day. So much brake dust. But you too. What y'all think about the new project that we got going on? What y'all saying, man? What y'all saying? What y'all saying? Y'all fucking, what is it? W or L? Let me know in the comments. But YouTube, we're gonna end up the video right here, cause you know it's pouring down, my camera getting wet. I'm about to go edit this video, we're gonna drop it. Today is, what's today? Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. This video gonna drop on Thursday. So be tuned. Stay tuned, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, peace out.